Hey marketers, if you are running Facebook ads and want to track how they perform, you are in the right place. In this video, we will show you how to use Google Analytics to track Facebook ads and get deeper insights into your campaign performance. So let's dive in. First thing first. To track your Facebook ads activity in Google Analytics, you need to generate a URL with UTM parameters. This step is crucial because it gives you the ability to track the source of your traffic and measures the performance of your Facebook ads. To do this, we will use Google Campaign URL Builder. This tool will help you create a unique URL for your Facebook campaigns that you can track inside Google Analytics. Here's how you do it. Source. This tells you Google where your traffic is coming from. In this case, set it as Facebook. Medium. This is the type of traffic you are driving. For Facebook ads, use paid to differentiate from organic traffic. Campaign name. This is where you give your campaign a unique name like summer sale or new product launch. It will help you track which specific campaigns are driving the best results. Once you have filled out this field, a campaign URL will be generated. This is fully trackable in Google Analytics. Copy this link to later use. Now let's break it down a little further to make sure you are tracking the right data. You only need a few key details: website URL. This is the landing page URL that you are driving traffic to. Campaign source, as we mentioned, this will be Facebook. Campaign medium, use paid here to stay consistent with your Google Analytics data. For more advanced tracking, you can also use campaign term, great for keyword tracking. So the necessary for Facebook ads. Campaign content helps you track different variations of an ad, such as an image versus a video ad. But for now, let's keep it simple with just the source, medium. Let's keep it simple with just the source, medium, and campaign name. Once these are filled out, you will get a clean and trackable URL. Now we are ready to integrate the URL into your Facebook ad. There are two ways you can do this. The most common way is to simply paste your new trackable URL. Find field when you're setting up your Facebook ad. Alternatively, you can shorten your URL with a tool like Bitly, that include shorten link in your ad copy. Now let's measure how well your Facebook ads are doing in Google Analytics. Head over to reporting, acquisitions, traffic acquisition in Google Analytics 4. From the drop down menu, you can choose different metrics like session medium, session source, or session campaign to track your Facebook traffic. For more detailed insight, you can use tools like cohort analysis to see how users are interacting with your website over time, or you can dive into a funnel report to find where users are dropping off in your conversion process. Additionally, path analysis lets you see how Facebook users navigate your website, which can help optimize your funnels and improve conversions. By using UTM parameters and Google Analytics together, you can really level up your Facebook ad tracking, from understanding where your traffic is coming from to optimizing your ads based on behavior. It's all at your fingertips. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. If you have any questions, happy advertising.